Hi there, it's me, Pam Van E, and I have a package that I received from Globeland with some products. So I'm going to do a little unboxing here and show you what I received, and then I will tell you or leave the links and everything of what I've gotten. And then I'll do a demonstration of the products I've received. So let's start with, this is what I got, and I'm going to open them up. Guess I could open them first. But they come nicely sealed. And these are some really fun charms, or whatever you want to call them. They're strawberries. They look like fun. Can't wait to use them in a dangle for a junk journal or a glue book. Let's check it out. So you get a big pack. Look at all these strawberries. All different sizes. Some that aren't quite ripened, you know, with the little green at the top. Just look at a few, but look at that, all you get. A whole bag. And here is an example of some of them. Aren't they so cute? It'd be cute to make a strawberry journal. Don't know if I have time this season yet, but those are really cute. Look at the top of them. Love those. Very nice. So that will make a really fun tassel. I'm going to move down just a bit. Okay, I love those. And then Panaha Elite. Nicely packaged. And these are some butterfly metal charms. I'll put the link in the code, discount code, in the description. Can't go wrong with butterfly charms. You get this nice little container and a whole bunch of them. Look at all those. Beautiful. Let's get some out here. Just look, it's just some of the beautiful colors. Look at all the different types, different colors, different shapes. That's pretty. So there's an example. Aren't they beautiful? Very well made. Colorful. Let's see this one. Gorgeous. And then you get all of these. Check out the link so you can use your discount for that. All right, then we have one more box of charms that are flowers. They're like a resin. Yeah, I think flowers and butterflies are very versatile. for your journal jewelry or however you craft. Oh, this one. Ooh, look at that. Lots of colors. Yeah, they're resin. Lots of beautiful colors. You get purple and pink and a, not quite a red, kind of a rosy color, yellow. You get the daisy and the purple. Oh, you get a blue. I think that's all the colors. So you get 6 different colors. They're a nice size. Very cheerful and fun. Very happy with those. Then, excuse me, the last thing I got were these, excuse me, these dies. And there's several of them. And they're a nice big size, so I can't wait to try these out. I think they make really pretty journal tags. All right. Sorry for the crinkling. Okay, so what we're getting is this one. 4 of them. Look at that. Beautiful. With a nice size. This one. And this one. So with that, make a nice journal card, and you can use, you know, all different patterns paper. They're 5.5 by 4. So yeah, nice size. So I will be showing you how I will use all of this. So there's that one. It's got little, they have all little dots all around. So it almost looks like it would be like kind of a scrappy tag or a patchwork tag, quilty tag. There's this one. And this one's really cool. Almost looks like waves. So that is what I received from Globeland, and I will be doing a video showing how I use all these wonderful craft items. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.